So in 2005, I was lucky enough to go over to New Zealand and do a little bit of hunting over there. And while over there, I met a great guy named James Patley. And he expressed some interest this year in coming over and doing some salmon fishing. So in the spring of this year, we headed out to Rupert and did a little bit of halibut and salmon fishing, had a great time.
So, it is the May long weekend. We're out here on Al's boat. James, myself, James from New Zealand, and Al. And we are trying to get into some springs and some halibut this weekend. Finished our first run out here this morning and got the lines in the water, and hoping we can get on some fish. We got our first fish of the weekend. Slow this morning, finally got some action. Remember, James, we're fishing with barbless hooks out here, so lots of pressure.
Yeah, keep tension on him. I think his drag was just a little light there, eh? Yeah. When you're going to reel down, you can't let your rod tip go slack. Reel as you're coming down with it. Yeah.
Of course, it's first fish of the weekend, so everyone's got lots of advice.
Remember, you came 5,000 miles for this, don't screw it up.
James is wearing full camo, so the fish never saw him coming.
Tip up.
There we go.
Fantastic, boys. That's a nice fish. Go, lads. Good go, James. Nice salmon.
Right on, James.
There you go, man. Beauty. Great fish, man. It's almost an hour and a half.
Still got something on there? Yeah, let's keep torquing it up. Careful pumping on these rods. You don't have any flex in the tips when you lower it down. They're
up and right.
Yeah. These ones, when you lower the rod, you gotta lower it really slow. Doesn't look like a monster, but we finally snagged something. It's a cod.
Cod? Is that an 8-er? You want to mess that thing?
Yeah, just reef it overboard. The camera out of the way. Okay, we have a real fish finally.
At the bottom. Let's leave it up there for now.
Careful when you drop that rod, James. One of those things are no flex on the end.
Want some more advice?
Yeah, we got lots.
Keep going. No shortage of advice in this boat. Faster, slower, higher, faster. Tip up, tip down. Okay, down now.
Well, hurry up, James.
Come on, you girl, pull that thing up.
There's a sign of a fish. What is it? It's a halibut. Hey, he's in the net.
Well, not the whale we're looking for, but there's a flatty. This helmet.
There we go. Broke the ice. So we've had a bit of an issue.
I definitely still got a fish on. Let's drop the reel.
Yeah, the reel's your last hope. Hold on tight to that one.
Could I use that rod as a handle at least now?
No. No, you're cut off.
I'll be happy getting the reel back.
So we're already working on a blooper reel.
This is pretty cool.
Thank God it's nothing big. Only 150 more feet to go, Chris.
Chris is not accustomed to fishing. I haven't quite figured out the subtleties yet. I gotta say, this is a first for me. Line.
Hey, we got our rod back. Oh, we're just bait.
A nice reel job, though. James, I think it's time your found rod is it's gone, man.
Been with us for a few years, that rod.
You found this?
Yeah, I was under a dock.
Many, many moons ago. I gotta say, that was about the last thing I expected to happen when I set the hook. That's the first time that's ever happened to me.
Yeah, who's a pox now?
Oh.
Got James the Lucky Kiwis into another fish. Must be the blue rod.
Apparently I'm netting this, so hang on to something. We may have a ballast issue. Al is quite busy cleaning up the garbage can. Someone's got to do it.
Can we see him yet?
More in the style, will I? Show me when you see something flash right in your door. Just that, since it's coming in.
Oh, here he comes.
Going over, James.
Oh yeah. Much better.
Oh, bigger flatty. Right on. Got a little bit of girth to it.
There we go.
Chris?
That's more we're looking for.
You see how James did it? Oh, listen to this. He used the fishing rod. See that? It's a little one piece. I don't know what I was thinking, you know. No, well, you know the real technique, you know, that has its place. But seemed a little easy that way, though, Al. Yeah. Good luck getting the hook of it. Go that way. To be able to give you some sort of estimate on size, but I really have no frame of reference.
Oh, there's coming up.
Dogfish.
A dogfish. Oh, Chris.
I didn't do it. Al did it.
Oh, and you set the hook really good.
Al did it.
Nice dogfish, though.
There's your trophy dogfish.
No kidding. Yeah, it's a big one. That is a record dogfish. That's a nice one.
That's the record on this boat. Must be the one you caught, James, but this is a nice one.
Oh, we got another one. It's here straight back. Come on, James. Oh, no way. Get back down there. Right on. We got
Oh, you guys are doing great.
Double header going on here.
Come hard, man. There you go. You got a good fish on there.
James has got one on.
And James has got one on.
James has got one on.
Hold on. Of course, maybe James is fighting James. That's happened. Here, I'm up. You got the net?
Yeah, little butt there.
I can drag this one myself.
Not a real big one, but
There we go.
one for the quota.
Here we are poised.
Obviously, we have the correct amount of scent trail down now, and the halibuts are starting to hit pretty.
Oh, it's another decent one. It's an eater. So, James.
Starting to put some meat in the freezer.
What's up, boys?
Another flatty hits the deck. Right on, lads.